Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading a representative sample and running a fast audit so you know what you're fixing. You'll inspect file formats and sizes, then compute missing value percentages, cardinality, and basic statistics to reveal skews. Once done, coerce consistent data types, parse timestamps, and remove clearly invalid records to avoid garbage propagating through later steps. Make sure to log your sample and decisions so you can reproduce the same initial conditions across environments. Now you apply robust cleaning. Choose principled imputation for missing values and explain why. For example, median for skewed numeric fields to reduce outlier impact. Next, convert categorical variables with appropriate encoders. Select one hot for small sets and target or embedding methods for high cardinality fields. Then normalize or standardize numeric features depending on your model assumptions. Once done, wrap these steps into a pipeline so transforms are reproducible during training. Finish by validating the clean dataset against withheld splits and time-based validation to spot leakage. Explain why temporal splits matter for time-dependent tasks. You should serialize the entire preprocessing pipeline, plus a schema and sample statistics, so inference matches training. Then, run a final sanity check on target distributions and model-ready arrays before deployment. If things go wrong, check your pipeline order first. Most issues come from transforming data differently between training and serving, so confirm serialized transformers and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.